69 Camaro with these dents. This is the deeper of the two. And there's this one, which is deep, but paint's not damaged. So that makes that one really tough. My 35 heavy. Done with this Camaro. And it came up nice and flat. I thought I was going to stretch, but I really held it well. And it came out beautiful. Want to see no flutter around the reflections. That's what I tried to concentrate on, is make sure the reflections in the background are as perfect as can be. That is done. Thanks for watching. This is Sal from Dent Experts, the YouTube channel. Taking all the dents out of this beautiful original 69 Camaro.